Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kobe here with a very special guest, my sister Tuki, and we're here today to bring you all another makeup video. So today's video, it's kind of like a tutorial. It's her special day, it's her birthday today, so we're getting ready for that. So it's more so of a get ready with us and just, you know, chill out and watch us do our makeup. That should be fun, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned. So this is the look that we were able to accomplish. We hope you all are eating it, living for it, and we hope that you stick around to see how we achieve these beautiful faces. Also, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell another friend to come on over and join the family. We always have a great time, and it's gonna be a good time moving forward. Also, go ahead and hit that notification bell. By doing that, whenever I upload a video or whatever, you will be the first person to know about it. That way, you don't have to hear it from John and Sally and Mo. You can hear it straight from the horse's mouth, right from the source for yourself. You ain't gotta hear it through the grapevine, because all that ain't even necessary. So, once again, if you guys want to see how we achieve these beautiful faces, then be sure to stick around. Peace. And moving right along. So excited. Okay, so I haven't put on any moisturizer or anything. Have you?
No.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna moisturize first. I'm gonna first go in with my Pericone sunscreen. Oh, I got a sensitive spot right here. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. Being sick sucks. Oh my god, it sucks. The worst. We have like a sea of stuff here. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. What's even more interesting is how we came out in similar colors. Like,
She likes to be like me.
that's crazy. We step out and it's like, damn. It be like that sometimes. Next, I'm going in with my Clinique moisturizing gel. We're gonna use two primers today. Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Primer, and then our Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector. So you don't need a lot, just a pea size amount. Yeah, what she's showing you there. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with brows. So today we're gonna use our Benefit Brow Pomade. It's in the color number 5. This is my holy grail. I'm going to clean up our brows with the P. Louise base. This is in the color number 3. I alternate between 3 and 4, but yeah, that's what I'm using today. I'm gonna do this off camera because y'all, this video will literally just go on and on and on. Alrighty, you guys, so we're back. Brows are on, primers on our eyes, and we're ready to go to eyeshadow because we love eyeshadow.
Sparkly.
Yeah, something very sparkly. I mean, it's her birthday, so it needs to be
Birthday ready.
yeah, you know, it needs to be legit. I'm gonna speed through that, but you know, you'll get a gist of what colors and all that good stuff. From Juvia's Place, the Festival palette, that's amazing.
Yes.
And then the Violet Voss Holy Grail Pro palette, it's amazing. And then last but not least, we're gonna use the Morphe 3502 palette. Yeah, this is her favorite palette, so we're gonna use a couple colors out of here.
That was 3 seconds. 3. You can do them on camera.
That one, yeah, but it don't always work out that way. All right, YouTube, so we finally got our eyes done, our brows done, our lashes on. Now we can head on to the base makeup, base makeup. Hey, and for that, so what we do, we kind of have the system, right? So we go ahead and put on our foundation, concealer, and contour all at one time, and it just really cuts down on the time, and it makes this a success. So that's what we're gonna do today, right?
Yes.
She's ready. She's excited for the contour part. We first go in with a concealer that's closer to our natural skin complexion. That just cancels out any redness, any dark circles, all of that. It just cancels it out and give you one smooth, even base. So we're going in with Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep.
This is Fenty Beauty, and it is Truffle.
Then we're gonna go in with foundation. What foundation are you using today?
Beauty.
Okay, so we're using Fenty Beauty in the color 340. So now we have all of that blended out, the concealer, contour, and foundation. You get it all done in one swipe. That's all you need. Then it's time for concealer. This is for, of course, to highlight underneath our eyes and other areas where we want the light to shine on or bounce off of. So I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. So we're gonna go in with our Pretty Vulgar Setting Powder. We got this in our BoxyCharm this month.
It's so fluffy.
My Anastasia Beverly Hills powder contour kit. It's in the color Tan to Deep. That's gonna be the same thing she's gonna be using today too. We're gonna be using these top two colors here. Okay, well, while she's doing her reverse contour, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off all the powder on my face with some more powder. To do that, we're both gonna use our Laura Mercier medium to deep, medium deep translucent powder. So we're just gonna go in and wipe off any of the powder that's on our face. Just gonna give Tuki a powder contour, and we're gonna use this top middle shade there. Then after that, because we put on so much freaking powder, we're gonna spritz our face with Mario Badescu facial spray. After that, we're just gonna go over it with the clean side of our sponge and pat that in. That way everything can just melt and seamlessly flow into one another. We're gonna go ahead and finish up underneath our eyes. And now because it's her birthday, and you know we want to spice it up a little bit, we're gonna add some gold liner to her bottom lash line.
Cover FX glitter drops came in one of my BoxyCharm boxes, and I'm obsessed. I just be bedazzle, boom, 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 all up in here. Right here be glossy, glittery, popping.
Yeah, and that's in the color Nova, by the way.
I didn't know that. See,
it's in the color Nova.
Is it Nova?
Nova.
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 Nova. Come on, Nova.
Nova who?
Nova who? Come on, Nova.
I'm just gonna add some glitter, just a little bit to the top of my lid there, just one line. I'm just gonna add some color to my bottom lid. I'm gonna go in with Eerie G out of that Festival palette, which is this beautiful hot pink color. That's really giving me life with these earrings I have on right now. And I'm actually gonna do the same regimen because I love this combo together. It's the Cover FX glitter drops and the MAC loose, iridescent loose highlighting powder in golden brown. This goes so well together. Oh my God.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, so after she's done setting her brows, I'm gonna go ahead and add a few bottom lashes. And she's done. For now, I'm gonna do my own lashes.
And I'm gonna sit here and do this.
Yeah.
Oh, get into it.
Alrighty, you guys, so now we're back. We have the lashes on and they're popping or whatever. We feeling glamorous. Now we're gonna tackle the lips. I'm gonna do her lips first, and to do that, I'm gonna use an LA Girl lip liner. This is in the color Berry Wine, and then I'm gonna follow that with the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the color Feeling Myself. Feeling Myself, Feeling My. Then for my lips, I'm gonna go in with my Cork lip liner from MAC, and I'm gonna follow that up with a lipstick from Too Faced. It's in the color Strip Search. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. Tell me, do you love it? I'm really loving it. I think it looks very beautiful. I think you look very beautiful for your birthday. Thank you. You're so sweet. And thank y'all so much for sticking with us through this video. Be sure to like. Be sure to comment. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, you guys, remember, self-love is the best love and makeup is life. Peace.